Madrid lineup. Gareth Bale is out. Isco is in. Here's the rest of the team.
Yeah, it's going to be a 4-3-3. Navas in goal. Very interesting to see how Marcelo deals this time with Arjen Robben. Robben was so good last week against him. And then you're going to have Casemiro.
Real Madrid turn around a first leg loss to beat Wolfsburg. 2013, Bayern Munich with Kasai in charge. 1-4. About for Bayern, that's the big news. Robert Lewandowski is back.
Yeah, absolutely. It's going to be a 4-3-3 as well. Manuel Neuer, so many saves in that first leg. He's in goal. Lam sat at home a little bit more while Robben went 1v1. Alaba did go forward. Xabi Alonso wasn't happy that
he... of this UEFA Champions League quarterfinal underway. As ever, Real lovely flick to find Isco. Carvajal to the outs. Early yellow for Arturo Vidal. He would be suspended for the first.
The few times that he's touched the ball, it's with anticipation. You see he doesn't get clipped right on the heel or the
around the Santiago Bernabeu. Vidal got his back in front of it. Chapters being closed this evening is Alaba able to return it inside. Ribery rolls it in front, looking for Thiago. Broken up by Marcelo. Navas doing all he could to close that down, but a great early chance for Bayern.
Yes,
and a nervy silence in Madrid.
Yes, and a wonderful piece of football, and just balance their attack.
Again, flicked along. It'll fall for Lewandowski. Casemiro there to force him back. Now Vidal. Vidal will let it fly. It's up over the bar. He's scored their last 3 goals in the Champions League, including the 1 goal and the missed penalty in the first leg. Benzema lays it off. Marcelo off Boateng's back. Still in play, though. Just for a moment. Marcelo will keep it in. Looking in the cross. Benzema's there, and it bounces wide. They had one on the first leg that Neuer will almost get a piece of him. One way or the other, it's Ronaldo now. 1-on-4. Hands off for Carvajal. Benzema in front of him. He wants it himself, and Neuer at full stretch to get a fingertip on it. That's certainly what it looked like. That's what Carvajal saw. But the referees haven't given it as a corner.
Sure, Sergio Ramos shouted to try to get a pen.
Quickly in for Carvajal. His cross spilled by Neuer on the doorstep. Saved off the line by Boateng. It was Sergio Ramos there who had stayed forward. Huge moment. And now Bayern trying to counter.
Oh, it's a tricky ball.
Carvajal, lovely touch around Vidal. Pressure to hold it in as Alaba trying to clear. Benzema. Carvajal fired over the bar. That was Kroos joining up against his former team. Quickly, Modric able to escape and send Ronaldo forward. They've got the advantage here. It's Benzema in the middle. Hummels trying to decide what to do. Ronaldo lost his angle there. A pass meant for further afield. Robben skips around Ramos. Casemiro not going to let him get any farther.
Well done to Casemiro again for stopping the counter-attack. And an even better.
Xabi Alonso, Robben making a quick run. Vidal trying to get it away for long. He was fouled, though. Vidal is down in pain. Left, Benzema opening up to his right. 3v3s, he skips around Boateng, gets it away for Ronaldo, who puts it in
the other end.
Thiago looking to slip it in for Lewandowski. He's there in front of Modric. Doesn't have an angle here. Can he cut it back? He was looking to shoot. It was blocked.
Coming into a frantically paced game.
Just beyond Ribery's foot. And Robben produced a goal, but it's going to be a dramatic second half on the way. Rob Stone and the guys give us their thoughts. We'll look at what's happening in Leicester, the other side of the break. 45. Our referee getting the second half underway. Real Madrid still leading 2-1 on aggregate. Again, this cross off the back of Alaba. Casemiro got there in front of it all. Who's already on a yellow. Victor Gassan, a little bit of a hesitation. He's got the assistant referee there for consultation. Vidal was booked in the 5th minute. Oh, just looking to clip it in. That came off Europe. On the end of this from Toni Kroos. It was Hummels up for Boateng, rather. It's back to the traffic from Isco and just wide. Ribery rolled in. Alaba holding off Modric. Going to cut it back for Arjen Robben. Is that off the line from Marcelo? Yes, it is. In for Robben. Dangerous in the edge of the area for Casemiro. Penalty. Penalty for Bayern Munich. And a huge opportunity For them to get right back in this tie. It was Vidal who skied the penalty in the first leg in Munich. So who will take this one? And Casemiro, by the way. Navas the wrong way. Bayern a goal away.
Well, all the antics by Keylor Navas, jumping to his right, jumping to his left, waving his arms. It didn't put Robert Lewandowski off one bit.
Robin carrying forward, not waiting for Lom's overlap. Uses him as a screen, clips it in for Vidal! It's over the bar! And he'll replace Karim Benzema.
Y entra con el 20, Marco.
So hard for the assistant to see that as well as Ribery weaves his way forward. Almost fell for Lewandowski. It might still. He fumbles over it. And last few minutes from him, Casemiro. Isco upended by Xabi Alonso. We will see a yellow card.
And all these players in the middle of the field, the ones that have to break up, committed.
Douglas Costa's on. It's Ribery who's made white. Run forward. This is Dani Carvajal. Asensio to his left. Carvajal taking it himself. Almost got there at the last. Modric trying to get inside of Vidal on a yellow. Got to be careful. Fires it in. Neuer able to grab it cleanly.
Carvajal did so well to turn that into a 3v2.
Robin has Lewandowski making the big run. Here it comes for Lewandowski trying to bring it down. It's a little shoulder in for Kroos as he released the pass. Modric essentially by himself. Hummels dove in. Yellow card for him.
Yeah, Mats Hummels knew straight away. He's not even looking at the referee. Now he does, acknowledges it. Behind Robert Lewandowski, but you will see him. He'll have to do some of this defensive work, but he'll also try to join in.
Couldn't do it there on Casemiro. The cross for Ronaldo! Goal 101 in Europe for Cristiano Ronaldo.
And just like that, talking about a tactical change, what Thomas Müller needs to do, and it only takes a split second. And it is that man, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Madrid fan who would disagree with that. Lifted in for Thomas Müller off the chest for Lewandowski. It is broken up by Nacho, but dead! It's in for an own goal! Wow! This is going to take maybe 2 or 3. Marcelo driving in. He'll take it with his right foot. Too far for Ronaldo, but it's off the outside netting from Lucas Vazquez. Fouls again. Yellow card for Arturo Vidal as the match director is showing us a replay. Vidal is sent off. Well, that was quickly upfield from Real Madrid. Both legs, Bayern have seen a man.
Motioned over to the bench.
Ronaldo pushed away the cross, sent all the way through. Marcelo picks it up. Marcelo himself. Douglas calls to the trailer. Robin driving inside, able to hold off one man. Arjen Robben has options. Douglas Costa rolled it. Sergio Ramos joining up. He'll hook in the cross. Ronaldo found space in there, and Ronaldo scores! In this quarterfinal tie from Real. Robin and Muller couldn't do anything with it. Marcelo weaving through. Marcelo gets through. He's got Ronaldo to his right. He rolls in there. It's tapped in. Ronaldo with his 5th goal of the series. Real Madrid are just about there. A century of goals in the UEFA Champions. Ronaldo wants a fourth. You know he does. Asensio cuts it back on Hummels. Still Asensio driving through. They're running away with it.